and welcome to the Health Minute Highlight. A reputed pharma company has completed Phase 2, Phase 3 trials of Covaxin in 1,000 children and has submitted the clinical trial data to CDSCO. If approved, Covaxin will be the first vaccine to be approved for children. In collaboration with its partners, the WHO has launched the first ever global strategy to defeat meningitis, named the Global Roadmap to Defeat Meningitis by 2030. The strategy was launched at a virtual event by the WHO and focuses on preventing infections and improving care and diagnosis for those affected. In a recent study, a lowered risk for COVID-19 was identified in 150,000 individuals above 50 years of age with a history of shingles vaccination. While a causal relationship is yet to be established, these correlational observations are suggestive of a boosted innate immunity by the shingles vaccine. A community-based study has shown that about 1/3 of the patients who needed medical assistance chose to self-medicate during the first lockdown last year. Health experts believe that such patients could have contributed to the early spread of the pandemic within their locality. Do you think self-medication could have contributed to the early spread of COVID-19? Share your opinion by commenting below. Urinary tract infections occur more frequently in females than males and can mostly be managed with antibiotic treatment. To discuss the latest guidelines for managing UTIs for better patient outcomes, Doc Plexus has organized an exclusive ACME session on the topic of UTI and treatment on 17th October 2021, 4 p.m. onwards. Health Minute, the most liked segment of Doc Plexus, brings you the latest happenings in the medical field. Stay tuned for more insights. Happy Doc Plexing!